Alright guys, let's get Danny.
Hello, sir.
Hey, that's my ship.
Possession is an illusion. Do not all things belong to the cosmos?
No. That's definitely mine.
This vessel suffers from wounded char. Only the power of the crystals can hope to heal it.
Crystals, sir?
Crystals? Like those found in the desert? Beyond.
Well, we don't have any better ideas. Let's go grab a few crystals.
Yeah, now I must get 10 crystals to repair my ship. I do this much fast I can. Oh no. Phew, I have one health. I mean 2 health. That's pretty close. I can't die now! I must get that crystal. Yeah. Now I have 10 crystals.
Yes, the crystals are spiking the money with a single voice.
That was pretty impressive.
Bring me more crystals, and I'll pay you cold hard bolts.
Huh?
You can earn vast amounts of bolts by exploring the desert and finding crystals.
Yeah, now we go this way. Just tired. Whoops. Get out of my way. And I have 54,000 bolts. Yeah. I get a glider. Or, yeah. Yeah, and this place is 1 nanotech boost. Up there. Yeah. And a platanium bolt. Now we're gonna plant them up. Sorry.
Hey, see if you can find anything worth watching.
Oh no, not behind the hero.
Welcome back to Behind the Hero.
No!
Yet another setback for the embattled Captain Quark. The Galactic Court ordered him to pay 6 billion bolts in damages to citizens suffering from personal hygienator syndrome. Only 2 days later, Quark was arrested trying to flee to Poketaru. The one-time hero, now full-time Zero, was placed in custody awaiting trial. But the next day it was discovered that he had escaped, flushing himself to freedom. We'll return to Behind the Hero after these messages.
What a nut! I almost miss that guy sometimes. Almost.
Yeah, almost. I bow it. This is cooler and better. Yeah, I speedrun this. I take multi-star.
Okay, this must be the core terminal. Let's see what we can get from it.
The power appears to be out in this entire area.
You're right. I better call a maintenance bot. Let's just follow him and fix it ourselves.
Yeah, 20 seconds left. And there is an attack boost. I try to get it. I can't make this without. Okay, so I come to you next time. So 3, 2, 1, see ya.